then architecture, then protocol stack, right? So a lot of things are there in testing, 4G LTE 5G testing, right? So 5G troubleshooting is there, cloud RAN is there, distributed RAN is there, right? So open RAN is there. So a lot of things are there with respect to, this is of just a general thing that you can see in 5G, right? So any questions, let me know, or else we can move towards the hands-on session, which will be very helpful for you people, especially for the people who want to work on 5G, right? Who want to do research on 5G, because tools are very important. So if you have a tools, it is like you can, it's like a having a weapon in your hand, right? So if you have a tool, you can get a graph, you can try up with your own parameters, and you can get a different parameters, different values. Then you can analyze it and come up with a paper, right? So you can give a research problem to your students. So lots you can do using a tool, right? Fine. 159 attendance is there. Okay. Any doubts here, or else we'll move towards the hands-on. So quick.
Hello, sir. Sir, in MIMO, how many antennas is there, sir, still now for 5G?
Sir, trial is going on. As of now, 64 cross 64 transmitter receiver is there, 256 is there. They are trying with different antenna size. So, and again, it also depends upon coverage area also. If there are less number of UVs, they can use a 64 cross 64 and it depends upon the UV, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Sir,
I'll take
few questions posted in the chat box, sir.
Chat
what
box.
Sort of, yeah.
Just a minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yeah.
I'll be ending with 11:45. Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am. You can tell.
Yeah. What sort of work related to 5G test bed?
Test bed. Very good question. There is in Bangalore. There is a in IIC. There is a 5G test bed. Is there? They are transmitting a signal of millimeter wave. They are coming up with certain algorithm. Lot of things are going on in 5G. You can visit IIC where 5G test bed is there. You can go and check it. They are coming up with certain transmission, trying up with some different subcarrier frequency, trying with different modulation technique like 256. And they are transmitting a signal, having a transmitter and a receiver. So there are some experimental things are going on. If you are interested, you can watch or you can see in IIC. There is a one test bed.
Yes, sir. Sir, other queries we can take at the end. You can continue.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, okay. So at present, if you go for in terms of a research, the tool-wise experimentation, what they are doing is changing the bandwidth, checking the signal-to-noise ratio, throughput, changing the frequency of a signal. So giving a high-frequency signal, lesser FR1, FR2, trying with 16 QAM, 64 QAM, 256 QAM, what is going to have output. So if you see the research papers, so you will be getting much on this, right? Okay, let's start. I have very less time. I want to share a hands-on session that will be very important part. So I'll stop here for a slideshow. I will share my one more OS, that is Ubuntu. Right. So this session will be very helpful, especially hands-on session to work